Bitcoin or XRP? If you've been in crypto for more than 5 minutes over the past couple years, you've seen this debate constantly. Bitcoin maxis think XRP is trash, XRP holders think Bitcoin is outdated. But if you were to hold one cryptocurrency, which one should it be, Bitcoin or XRP? Today we're gonna settle that. Now before we start, I own XRP. I'm a very big XRP bull. I've been talking about this coin every single day for years, but Bitcoin deserves respect. Without Bitcoin, there would be no XRP. And I wanna come at this from an objective point of view and just see which one is actually better on paper, because at the end of the day, you're either gonna make a lot of money with Bitcoin or you're gonna make a lot of money with XRP, because the way things are shaking out, there can only be one. So I'm gonna be as fair as I possibly could be. Let's start. Round one, the brand recognition, okay? What's the most recognizable? I think obviously, if we're being real right now, it's Bitcoin. I mean, it's not even close. Bitcoin is the king when it comes to the ETFs, the government hyping it up. You see it every single day. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. And honestly, for the majority of people in crypto, and even outside of crypto, you may not know a lot of coins, but you for sure know what Bitcoin is. And when it comes to XRP, yeah, probably not. I think XRP is very niche compared to Bitcoin, which honestly has some pros in itself, but if we're being objective here, Bitcoin definitely comes out on top with brand. So we'll give Bitcoin a single star. Moving on to store of value. What is the best in terms of the store of value? Bitcoin's entire thesis is it's digital gold. You buy it, you hold it, you hype it, and you wait. And honestly, I feel like for a long time it worked, and I really do feel like that narrative has kind of died off, but that's where XRP has a weakness. XRP is not trying to be a store of value or digital gold. They're trying to move money. I mean, it's two completely different things. So if we're only judging the store of value, I think Bitcoin also deserves another star. So that's 2-0 on XRP. But this is where it gets interesting. Let's talk about speed. Now, if you're actually using crypto, I mean, for everyday things, whether that's buying flights or buying hotels or buying food, which you could do a lot right now, there's only a couple cryptocurrencies that are really good at doing that. When it comes to Bitcoin sending money is absolutely a hit or miss. Some days it's really fast. Some days it can take you 30 minutes to an hour to send one single transaction. And that really depends on the congestion of the network at the time. But here's where XRP shines. XRP settles in seconds. Doesn't matter when, doesn't matter where. You send XRP, it'll be in a receiving wallet within literally milliseconds. No ifs, ands, or buts. I mean, that's literally what it's designed to do. So if speed matters, I think that we have to give a star to XRP here. So that brings the score to Bitcoin 2, XRP 1. And this is where it stings. Let's talk about fees. Nobody likes paying fees. Everybody hates getting taxed on any single transaction. Doesn't matter if it's in real life or crypto, it sucks. During busy periods of Bitcoin fees can exceed $20 to $30 for a single transaction. I mean, I've experienced it. I know you probably have as well. Doesn't matter if you're sending $10, $100, $1,000. It can get pretty expensive. But XRP transactions can cost literally a fraction of a penny, no matter what the time of day is. I mean, if you've ever bought or sent XRP, you've probably experienced the same thing. You buy $1,000 of XRP, you send $1,000 of XRP, you're probably gonna get $1,000 of XRP in that receiving wallet because the fees are so tiny. It literally costs nothing to send XRP. And if you're sending money every day, like most people in the world are, that matters. So I think we also have to give an objective point to XRP, that being 2 to Bitcoin and 2 to XRP. But this is where things take a turn. Let's talk scalability. Imagine tomorrow, like everybody's been saying, the world starts using crypto. Mass adoption comes in. Everybody's on crypto now, and it's no longer a handful of friends. It's everybody, your work, your job. Literally, to do anything, it has to be on the blockchain, which is what a lot of us in the future hope to see happen. Which network will handle that better, Bitcoin or XRP? Bitcoin wasn't designed to process huge amount of transactions in a very short period of time. It's just not what it was for. But on the other hand, the XRP ledger, the bones of XRP, was built to handle all of those transactions. So in a world where everybody's on the blockchain and everything is running through it, I'm not totally convinced that Bitcoin can handle the amount of volume that XRP can. Now, maybe I'm wrong, but I think we're being objective and just a little bit speculative. I think we have to give a star to XRP. That brings Bitcoin to 2, XRP to 3. Now, this is the big one, utility. We've been talking about utility for literally 5 years on the channel because it's one of the most important conversations when it comes to crypto. Bitcoin's biggest use case today is it's a store of value. That is the brand. That is what has been talked about. If you ever hear a Bitcoin conversation, you've heard that. But XRP's biggest use case is moving value, payments, settlements, cross-border payments, even stuff like liquidity. But this is the thing, whether Ripple's long-term vision actually succeeds, like, I understand we're not there yet because mass adoption hasn't happened. So this is all still open to question. But I think that if we're looking at both projects, which one's actually going to solve the major real-world problem, which is payments? It's XRP. The utility there is next to none compared to Bitcoin. Most people, even when it's dealing with fiat today, they're not just holding cash and putting it in the bank. They have to spend that money. They have to pay rent. They have to pay groceries. They have to do all of that. I think XRP deserves another star. That brings Bitcoin to 2, XRP to 4. Now let's talk adoption, because obviously what I was just telling you, mass adoption coming into crypto, is a very big speculation piece for majority of the space. Now look, Bitcoin does have institutional adoption. They have ETFs. They have governments buying. They literally literally have every single major company talking about crypto, associating that with Bitcoin. But XRP has a different kind of adoption story. Ripple has spent years pursuing partnerships that could benefit the XRP ledger and push this ecosystem forward. I mean, they're constantly getting licenses, they're buying businesses, they're doing things left, right, and center to pursue this dream. I think we have to give this a draw. I think nobody gets a point on this because really they're both doing real good things. Bitcoin has whole countries, whole nation state interests in that specific coin, but XRP is building partnerships the majority of other cryptos can't even fucking imagine doing. So no points. The current score is still Bitcoin 2, XRP 4. Now let's talk security, because this is obviously a big point when it comes to crypto. Which one is better in terms of getting your money stolen and being secure in your wealth? I think really they've both been around for a very long time, obviously. I think the reliability here is pretty much the same. There's really been nothing major that's happened to Bitcoin's ecosystem that would warrant a safety concern, in my opinion. Same thing with XRP. Now there is stuff in the future that we can't really speculate on in terms of raking, like quantum computing. I mean, you've heard a lot about that, how computers will get fast enough to be able to break seed phrases and get into crazy people's wallets like Satoshi. That's all speculative though. We'll try to keep this biased. I'm giving nobody a point here. Still Bitcoin 2, XRP 4. Now let's talk upside, because this is obviously why you click the video. Which one's gonna make you the most money long term? I mean, nobody really knows. We're all speculating, but here's what I think. Bitcoin's already the largest by market cap. That's obvious. XRP starts from a much smaller market capitalization, and in my opinion, objectively looking at stuff, I will go with the smaller one. If they're both doing similar things, but one I feel like has a little bit more upside, and I'm trying to pick one, which is the purpose of this video, I gotta go with the smaller one. XRP's $1. The market cap's way smaller. The upside, in my opinion, is a lot bigger than Bitcoin, because with Bitcoin being $100,000 almost, I mean, a 5x on Bitcoin, $500,000 per Bitcoin. Like, that's crazy. A 5x on XRP, $5. I think objectively XRP is the better buy here, so we have to give it a star. 2 to Bitcoin, 5 to XRP. Now before we finish, let's look at the scoreboard. We got Bitcoin at 2, XRP at 5. But honestly, the score doesn't really matter. You know why? There's only one category that truly matters above all, and that's if someone handed me $1 million right now, and they locked me in a fucking room. They locked me in that back there. They said, hey, you can't come out until you pick one right now. Which one am I choosing? Every single day, no matter what, if you have a gun to my head, it is gonna be XRP. Not because, again, that I think Bitcoin's bad. I mean, that's not the argument of the video. And it's not because I think Bitcoin's gonna go away. There could be XRP and Bitcoin coexisting together, but it's because I believe XRP and Ripple are positioning themselves for a much bigger opportunity than Bitcoin is. Payments, financial infrastructure, I mean, custody, stablecoins, institutional products, regulation, liquidity, all this shit. They're building the ecosystem. And just like Apple has an ecosystem with all the phones you have online, they're kind of doing the same thing, but digitally. And it's so cool to watch. But also, it doesn't guarantee that XRP is going to be a winner. There's always that what if, you know what I mean? But investing has never been about guarantees. It's about probability. I've been telling you guys this for years. And after comparing everything, that's where I'm placing my bet as XRP. Now, everybody's gonna have an opinion, but I want to hear yours. Are you choosing XRP or are you choosing Bitcoin? Let me know why as well. I'd love to hear it. Or if it's not either one of these, if you could own one cryptocurrency for the next 10 years and that crypto had to make you rich, which crypto would it be? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy these videos and you want to see more, leave a like, subscribe. I've been changing up the style. Hope you guys enjoy. And if you're not already and you want to follow everything that the whales are doing in crypto and XRP Bitcoin, then be on my app Market Mirror. It's on iOS and Android. You can literally track everything with Bitcoin, XRP. Be on the Instagram. I post all my plays. Regardless, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.